I see what that was doing. We don't want that anyway, I guess.
Yeah, this. So we haven't found any mold yet. There's no mold in here.
No mold. Rotted wood, but no mold.
So we are removing all the rotted wood.
Some duct tape patch jobs.
Yeah.
I mean, even this is only rotted in a part of it.
Yeah. Oh, cool. So that, I was thinking maybe that went straight into like insulation. But it's like good wood under there.
Yeah. Or at least it looks good so far. This grate foam is pretty resilient. Okay. Oh yeah, there are a couple huge nests.
Whoa.
These are, I think this is nest.
Yeah, that looks like nest.
It's like thick nest though.
It's not a hornet.
Let's try. Let's try.
Tons of hornets.
And all their gross little hidden places.
Want me to put that in the garage?
Yes, please. If you could.